are welcome if you're new here on today. And you already know by the apron that I'm back in my Priceless Pearl Life kitchen. It's Mother's Day week 2023. And as you already know, I think everyone knows, my mom is super spoiled. So today I'm preparing us a quick brunch and later on this afternoon an after dinner dessert. So you know what to do. Just keep watching. Let's get it. Let's go. So since it's Mother's Day week 2023, let me tell you a little bit about my mom. My mom had me a cooking and a cleaning ever since I was 8 years old. Can you believe it? 8 years old. And that's many moons ago. Also, my mom is the 14th child of 14 children, and she also was a twin. So adding sugar and orange juice to the strawberries is called maceration. And what it does, it helps to release the natural sweetness of these strawberries. You talk about something good, I can eat this whole thing by itself, but I have to wait till later. So for Mom and I's brunch for today, I am preparing a cream cheese stuffed French toast with bananas and strawberries, a drizzle of syrup, and dusted with powdered sugar. We're eating good in this neighborhood. Because this is a special occasion, I'm choosing to use brioche bread. But please note, brioche bread is high in carbs and fat because it's a cross between a bread and a pastry. about my mom. She is a very happy, retired state employee. She's the founding mother of our great church. And last but not least, she is a published Christian author. So here's the fun part. A little strawberries, a little bananas, and a dusting of that powdered sugar. And wait for it. So mom wanted salmon and rice for dinner. And of course, she had salmon and rice. Now stick and stay because part 2 of the video is beginning right now with our after dinner dessert. So I love finding recipes and adding my own special touch. So this is my added touch. I thought my base layer, this. Honey, graham crackers, along with butter, blended together, dropped in the bottom. Oh yeah, yeah, I had to do it. If you're new here, let me take this opportunity to introduce myself to you. I am Katrina, and this is The Price's Pearl Life. It's a lifestyle channel where I share my love of home decor, cooking, baking, vlogs, and shopping hauls. I would love for you to become a part of my growing YouTube family. Do it simply right now by liking, hitting that subscription, and making sure to hit the bell twice so you never miss an upload from the priceless Pearl Life. So this dessert is light, it's cool and refreshing, and it's not overly sweet. And if you need it just a tad bit sweeter, adjust it during the whipping cream phase. I think the next time I make this, I'll add some strawberry syrup in mine because I like, well, I have a sweet tooth. As you can see from brunch, dinner, and our after dinner dessert, Mom has been absolutely spoiled all day. In fact, we're spoiling her all week because our mother, she has always gone above and beyond all of our lives. So I hope you're taking that time to spoil your mom as well. Happy Mother's Day to my mom and all the moms watching me out there. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And check out this video before leaving YouTube on today. I'll see you soon. God bless.